You get a client, you finish the video, and then the response comes to you, oh, can I get this in 4K? Or can I get this in MOV format? Or can I get this in MKV? Well, now you can fix it in one click. Wondershare's converter. The link is going to be down there. And this is the page that you're going to see once you land. First of all, click on Try It Free button here. The download will start. If it doesn't, just click on Restart Download. The tool is great. It's awesome to have it on your computer. This is how it looks like. Now, this is one of my tapes. And as you can see, it is HD, 1920 by 1080. And you just have to upload it here. You just have to choose it. And then you can choose to which format you want to move this to. So as you can see, many options here. It's crazy how many of these options there are. And of course, you can choose the resolution here. So for example, I'm going to show you how you can transfer this to 4K video. All you got to do now is to click on Convert All button, which is located here. Click on it, and then just wait a few minutes. If you use GPU acceleration, as you can see, it's just going to take 20 seconds for this video, which is a little bit less than a minute long. The video is being converted now. Now you just have to click on this one to open file location, and here you can find it. If I just right click on it and go to properties, then go to details here, you can see right here it's 4K. I will paste this one, which is HD now, and I'll show you side by side. So this one on the right is HD, and this one here is 4K. Just have a look at it. I'll play you both of these side by side so you can just see how this works. So as you can see, much more detail on this one. And this is done within 25 seconds. It's crazy. Now, I will take a video from the internet, which is low quality, as low as that can be, and I'll just convert it to 4K resolution. So for this example, I'll just head over to Pexels and let's just say this video. And if you click on it, you can see that the options available here, you've got Full HD, you've got 4K as well, but I'm gonna choose this one, which is maybe filmed with a microwave or something like that. So just click on it, and I'll just click download selected size. And of course, it's gonna go over to my computer. Now, I'm just gonna add the file with this button here, import the selected file, and I'll choose MP4 4K video. Click on Convert All button here. And now this one is gonna be done in 5 seconds. It's just amazing. Let's go and open file location here. And here you can see the older one, the lower resolution one is this one on the right, and converted one is this one on the left. So let's just play these side by side. It's just amazing. Just have a look at the power of this tool. It's just beautiful. So when you get to the homepage of your Wondershare software, just head over to Converter. And the best part about this one is that you can do it in batch. You can add as many files as you want, just like this. And it'll convert as many files as you put in there. So just put in 1,000 files. Go grab yourself a coffee, and it's going to be done once you get back. The link is going to be down there, so make sure you click on it. And yeah, just enjoy the process. I'll catch you on the next one.